Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to talk about chapter 11. Quartiles and Percentiles. And this should be the last part of chapter 11. The last concept of chapter 11, quartiles and percentiles. So today I'm going to focus on another diagram to represent your data set. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the box and whisker plot. Alright, so today this will be our focus. Right, so let me jump to the next slide. So over here I have a question. So the question says, for example, a survey of the bedroom areas, so in meter square, of 10 students shows the following results. So these are the results, okay, and this is the data set given, and you are asked to find the lower quartile, median, upper quartile of the data for A. Right, before we do that, let's rearrange the data in ascending order. Okay, so remember, so rearrange your data, rearrange the data set in ascending, which means rank your data set from the smallest to the largest. Let's do that. So you have 6.3, 6.8, 7, 8.3, 9.2, 10.5, 11.7, 13.6, 15.7, 15.9, and then 18.8. Alright, so let's count. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so you have 10 data here. So you did not miss any number data set, because it says there are 10 students, so there are 10 data here as well. So make sure you don't miss any number in the data set when you rearrange your data set. Alright, now let's move on to find the lower quartile. So before we find the lower quartile, let's find the median first. So the median is our middle number, right? So the median is 50% position, or our middle number, right? So since we have 10 numbers here, so the middle is 10 divided by 2, which is 5, so which is the 5th position, right? So let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's here and here. Okay. The reason is, you can see that the middle number, okay, the middle number lies in between these two. Okay. Why? Because you can see on the left hand side you have 5, and then on the right hand side of your list you have 5 numbers as well. So therefore the middle lies in between these two. So how do you find the median? So let's do the median first. So the median is given by 9.2 plus 10.5 divided by 2. Alright, the reason is, okay, the middle number or the median lies in between. Alright, so it lies in between these two numbers. That's why you have to add these two numbers together and divide by 2. Okay, then you're supposed to get 9.5 meter squared. Alright, very simple, right? Now let's look at the lower quartile. Right, how do you find the lower quartile? So the lower quartile is, right, the lower quartile is, now your focus should be on all the numbers here. Alright. Right. On the left hand side of this median. So your focus should be on the left hand side. Alright. And now your focus should be on all the numbers that are highlighted in yellow. Okay. So the median among these 5 numbers is 7, right? Okay. So very simple. So similarly, to find the upper quartile, so your focus will be on all the numbers here on the right. Alright. So similarly, what is the median among these 5 numbers? It is 13.6. Right? 31. The square. Alright. So now my job is to figure out what is part B. Okay. So I am asked to represent the data by a box and whisker plot. Alright. So let's move on to do that. Alright. So let me get it into the next slide. Alright. So we erase some of this. I don't need this. Alright. But I need the median, lower quartile, and upper quartile. Let me erase this. So they have some space. We draw the box and whisker plot. Okay, so to draw the box and whisker plot is very simple. So first thing first, you have to draw your this first. Alright, and with this, what you do, you label. Alright, so this will be the area, and in terms of total unit is meter square. Right, so we can start from so the lowest number is 6.3, so you can actually start from let me see, 5, 6. Okay, it's 2. I would say let's choose 5 here, and then let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will be my 10. So go another 10 units, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let me see if I have enough space. Yep, I have enough space. So 5, 10 units for 10 units for a difference of 5. Alright, so let's go another 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, this should be good enough. Okay, now let's identify the median, which is 9.85. Alright, so 9.85 is, so the difference is 5 here, and then that is 10U, right? So 1U is 0.2. Am I right? Yeah, 1U is 0.2. So therefore this is oh yes, 1U is not 0.2, I'm sorry. So let's take out a calculator. So over here, difference is 5. So you have 10U. Okay, so 10U, not 10U, that's 5 here. Right. Yeah, 10U, I'm sorry. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10U. So 10U is equal to a difference of 5. Right, so 1U is 5 over 10, so that is 1 over 2, so that is 0.5. Alright, so this will be your 5.5, this will be 6, so 7, 8, so 8.5 is here. Okay, The 9 is here. So 9.85 is somewhere here. In between. Right? So it's somewhere here. Okay. So let me erase the rest and just leave the 8.5. Alright. So it's somewhere here. Okay. So this is 9.85. That is the median. Okay. Next, where's your 7? The 7 is, we get rid of the 5, so not needed. So 7 is, so this is 6, this is 7. 7 is here. Okay, so just get it. Alright. And now, where's your 13.6? Okay. So this is 11. This is 12. This is 13. So this is 13.5, 13.6. Alright. Okay. So you can actually start to draw the box first. Alright. How do you draw the box? Very simple. So just grab a rectangle. Okay. So right here first, and then continue to extend it to 13.6. Alright, so if you were to so if you were to unfill the box, so you will get this. Okay, so this is your 7, which is your lower quartile. This is the median 9.85, and this will be the upper quartile. Alright, and now your job is half done. Right, you already have the box, and your job is to find out the whisker. Okay, so the whisker is, what's the lowest value? 6.3, right? So 6 is here, 6.3 is in between, so somewhere here. Okay, you can do a better job by doing by using a calculator, but let me just use the freehand. Okay, so this is 6.3. That's the lowest number. All right. So next, I'm going to find the biggest number, which is 18.8. So this is 16. This is 17. This is 18. So 18.8. So this is 19. So this is in between. So it should be somewhere here. Okay. All right. So this is 18.8. All right. So okay, mark it with a dot. Okay. Both at 6.3, which is the lowest value, and 18.8, which is the largest value. Alright, and then your job now is to draw the whisker. So the whisker is just a line. Right, it's just a line. And this line should be a straight line. Alright, so let me just so your line should stop at the dot here. Alright, so let me continue to draw another line. So stop at 18.8. Alright, so just tidy up your this a little bit, and you have your box and whisker plot. Alright, okay, so this is your box and, yep, I'm sorry, just tidy up a bit. So you have your box and whisker plot here. Okay, pretty simple, right? Yep, so that's all. Okay, we have come really far. Okay, I've made like 26 videos in 26 days exactly. Yeah, so yeah, so hopefully you have learn some math concepts from me, and hopefully you really love the videos. So please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching my video once again. Bye bye.